you saying? What does the cow say? What does the cow say?
Moo.
What does the piggy say? Oink, oink. What's the kitty say? What does the puppy say?
Ruff, ruff.
And the cow?
Moo.
Is it your mommy say moo?
Moo.
Moo. Okay, let's see your book. Let me see your book. What do we have here? Oops, oops. Let's see this one. What do we have here? Look at. What is that? What is that?
Right.
What is this right here?
Apple.
And what is this right here?
A bill.
Balloon. And what's this?
Carrot.
Carrot. What's this?
Glasses.
Glasses. And this one?
Bear.
A heart.
Heart.
What else you got there?
Egg.
An egg.
Yeah.
And what else is there? What's that? What's that?
Bear.
Mm-mm.
My bear.
Your bear? What else you have? That's a boat.
Book. Sheep, bird, piggy. Easy. Here's a yellow thing. This yellow, green. Purple. Yellow, green.
What is it, baby?
Folks who save hundreds of dollars by switching to Geico sure are happy. Happy, are they, Jimmy? Happier than any money-winning travel agency. Get happy. Get Geico.
What's this cow say?
Moo. Piggies.
Okay.